It's your girl Jhordyn.
Was off the Remy, had a back loose. Had to hit my old town to check the news. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with it.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jhordyn. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick little review on the patent bred ones, as you could tell by the title. So if you know me, you know that I don't like long introductions. Just make sure that you follow me on my Instagram and that you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you know every time that I post. Let's get into the video. First things first, we have the typical Jhordyn 1 box. The only difference is that this box is a shinier material. So I'm sure you can tell in the camera, don't mind my fingerprints, I have been playing with my hair. Like I said, you can definitely tell that the box is very shiny. It is the exact same as every other Jhordyn 1 box that there is, with the Beaverton, Oregon decals, there's Nike decals, you know, all that good stuff. But we're not here to review the box. I just wanted to point out the fact that it is emulating the patent leather material. But let's get to the shoe. I did actually just film a tutorial on how I relaced these, but you know me. If you know me, then you know I almost always alternate my laces on my Jhordyn 1s. I think the only pair of ones currently that I don't have with alternating laces are literally my pine green ones. So I just wanted to give y'all the look at both of them because, like I said, I have relaced them. This is not my first impression with the shoe. I have definitely searched around it, so I'm just gonna run y'all through my thoughts. So drop a comment and tell me what your opinion is on the patent leather. I am personally a huge fan of patent leather. That is why the shattered backboards that I have are actually the 3.0s, because I really like those over the first and the second pair. But this patent leather is definitely different than what's on the shattered backboards. It's a little stiffer. It seems a little bit tougher, but not in a bad way, if you get my drift. I will also say though, when it came to relacing them, the eyelets were a little bit tough. It was kind of tough to shove the lace through. That's just something to be aware of. It's not like I would not buy the shoe again, but I did struggle a little bit relacing them because they were being a little fidgety. But sometimes that's common with Jhordyn 1s to me in general. The right shoe comes with our metallic Jumpman. Okay, I am also definitely leaving this on. It also has the red chain on it, and look at that shine on the shoe. You cannot convince me that this is not beautiful, okay? I absolutely love the shiny look, and the first time that I laid eyes on this shoe, I was like, I need that. Another small but relevant thing to notice about the shoe is that it does have family embroidered on the inside of it. There's a better view. It says family in red. I don't know exactly why that's there, but I do like it. I'm not opposed to anything about this shoe. So you have the crispy white midsole, the red outer sole, just the typical Jhordyn 1 look, obviously. As far as the material goes, like I said, this patent leather is a little bit more sturdy feeling than the leather used on the shattered backboard 3.0. The shattered backboard 3.0s kind of have a softer touch to them. This is very stiff and very rough and very sturdy. I do like both. I'm not sure which one I like better yet. I have to wear these first. As far as Nike and their QC, I'm looking around the shoe and I definitely don't see that many errors. There's a little bit of extra string here on the bottom, but I'm not noticing excessive amounts of glue or scuffing on the shoes since it's patent leather. I think they did a pretty fairly good job on this QC check. If you want to see me rip Nike to shreds though, check out my review on the pine green 3s because I ate them up. I'm really just looking at these and I can't understand why people were hating so hard on them. Like, okay, you're not a patent leather fan, whoop-de-whoop, but like the shoe is clean. It's literally the Bred 1, but it's patent leather. I see absolutely nothing wrong with that. All in all though, QC definitely checks out for me. I am definitely satisfied with this purchase. I definitely am satisfied with the alternating laces. I was a little nervous for a second there. The haters had me in the first half, but I followed through and I am happy with following through. Also, if you're still interested in copying yourself a pair of these, my dad has been noticing that the resale price keeps dropping. So that either means that they're going to be released again, they might be re-raffled in certain locations, or they're just not doing as well as they thought and the price is decreasing. So we will see what's good. But if you're interested in buying your own pair, definitely keep your eyes out on the resale because my dad and I bought these right after they dropped basically. So we definitely probably could have waited, but I was really antsy to get my pair. I was very hurt the sneakers disrespected me. But there's really nothing more to it. The shoe is very clean. I'm very satisfied with the quality on it. I cannot complain about this beautiful patent leather design. I'm not mad at it whatsoever. And like I said, it's really stiff and it's really sturdy. So I can't really foresee this creasing super hard. It'll probably crease, but it'll look like a natural crease. Probably not as natural as the Shattered Backboard 3.0 because those are way softer, but it's gonna look good even with age, okay? That's the bottom line, because that's what a lot of people were basically complaining about. Other than that, I don't really have much more commentary to make, so I'm gonna give y'all a look around the shoe and then give you an on foot, and then we'll be up out of here. Okay, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a big fat thumbs up. If you found this quick little review nice and simple, nice and easy and to the point, also give me a thumbs up. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below as far as whether you're pro patent leather or whether you're like, forget that shoe, I don't like it. So I'm very curious to hear what people have to say, so make sure you drop it in the comment section down below. Like I said, I am always going to be pro patent leather. You add a little shine to anything and I'm basically there. Make sure that you follow me on my Instagram before we get up out of here so you can see how I style these. I may or may not bring some of that content over here on YouTube, but just in case, make sure you're following my Instagram. It's pretty freaking lit. That's all I got for y'all today. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.